Hello, um, this is a video for how to use this site admin. After you log in, you probably see a screen like this. On the left, these buttons here, if you click them, they will open like this. When you first log in, they probably like close. And then first one is language, like English, Chinese. The second one is admin, like it has those tools, and there is a user manager. You can change your password or add another user or delete users like that. And then on the web section there is art manager, artist manager, page manager. I also made you this quotes manager and language editor. These are extra things that I give you just in case if you wanted to add more quotes or something like that. And underneath there's web tools. Here you have PDF manager, video manager, photo manager, and content editor. This content editor is for practicing. Actually, there is content editor in other sections. Yeah, this is the overall how to use video. You can click on like this art manager and you can open the art manager, and I will make a video for how to use this art manager, and one by one like this. Otherwise this video is going to be very long. And okay, this is overall how to use this after logging, how to use this site manager.